In today's video, I'll teach you how to humanize AI in Grammarly. So if you want to humanize the AI, first of all open Grammarly application. You can see over here I've opened it. Now in the Grammarly, what you have to do is click on this option, new document, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that in your browser, new document for Grammarly will be opened. Simply type in your text over here. At right, you'll be able to find various icons over here. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find various options. Find this option for humanizer and click on it. Now after that, you can see over here the humanizer will be opened. You'll be able to add up the voice over here. You can also describe a voice, or you can also create a voice if you want. Otherwise, simply click on the voice of your choice. Now according to the voice that you select, you can see over here you'll be able to see the suggestions from the Grammarly. You'll be able to find the option for accept or dismiss. What you have to do is simply click on the option accept and your AI text will be humanized. After Grammarly gives you few suggestions, in order to get more suggestions, what you have to do is simply unlock the premium version. So like this, you'll be able to humanize the AI. So that is how you humanize AI on Grammarly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.